Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your fund password on the Bybit app. And yes, this method is working in 2025. So if you're having trouble updating your fund transfer or just want to keep your account secure, stay with me till the end. Let's get right into it. First, open up the Bybit app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the account settings. From here, scroll down and tap on the security option. Now under the security section, you'll see an option that says fund password. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, tap on change fund password. You'll now be asked to enter your current fund password. Once you do that, type in your new fund password and then confirm it by entering again. Finally, tap confirm, and that is it. You have successfully changed your fund password on the Bybit app. Quick, easy, and secure. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.